So I wanted to address this question because I know some of you are in the same boat. She said, is there still hope after 5 months of no contact? I'm in despair. First, I want to say is you are so focused on the time that you guys haven't been in contact. You are counting down how long it's been, and when you are doing that, you are telling your subconscious that you are not with this person now. And also, you are saying, I'm in despair. So if you are in despair, your self-concept is low. And when your self-concept is low, you cannot expect a positive outcome with your specific person. You really need to realize that we are all one consciousness. Nobody is outside of us. So once you change within, then your outer reality reflects that. So what I suggest that you do right now is to work on your self-concept. You need to start building yourself up. You need to start feeling worthy of love. You need to start feeling deserving of love. Because when you don't feel those things, you cannot expect somebody else to be giving you those things. Once you shift and you work on your self-concept, then you can start telling that new story of your person, that you guys are together now, that they are madly in love with you, that they cannot stop thinking of you, that they are constantly calling and texting you all day long. But until you work on your self-concept and you start feeling better within yourself, then you aren't going to get that outcome that you want. If your self-concept is low and you are just affirming for them and not focusing on you and focusing on your self-concept, then they are going to come back and be hot and cold with you. And when they are hot and cold with you, you're going to get so frustrated with yourself and wonder why that this is happening. So take this time right now for you. Work on your self-concept and then change your story about them as if you are with them now. Stop focusing on the time, because if you are still focusing on the time, then you are going to keep experiencing time and waiting in your reality. I hope this helps. Follow me for more tips.